everyone. Today we will have a revision about ABB, which is concerning the exam. As you see here, we have many different slides, so we would like to learn them. The first question, as you see here, talks about what? What is this? Do you remember the signs? Yes, the signs. The signs or tags. So the first question here, what does the do not operate tag prohibit? The tag means that you cannot operate. Cannot operate means that you cannot do anything with this. Doesn't mean cleaning the machine or operating the apparatus, moving or taking photo of the machine. What do you think?
Taking a phone.
Don't operate. So don't operate. Don't do anything. It means what? What do you think about this?
Operating the radios.
Operating the apparatus.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what's this? Is this the first one? Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at this tag. It means authorized persons only is allowed to fit and remove tags. Who is allowed to put or remove tags? Who is responsible for that?
Only authorized person.
Yeah, exactly. Only authorized personnel. Authorized means official. The one who has the authority. He can do what do we call putting or removing the tags. Okay, look at this. Who wants to read? Read. Yes, Dr. Latif.
Where should announce service tag be fitted?
Where should an out of service tag be fitted? Out of service, what does it mean, out of service?
You cannot use the machine or something.
You cannot operate it. You cannot use the machine. Okay? So, which choice is the best?
In the workplace law?
Where should an out of service tag be fitted? To the supervisor's desk, to the apparatus itself, on the workshop, and the break room. Where should I put this tag? Where? What do you think, Noah? Yes. Apparatus. Apparatus means device. Okay. Who wants to read this? Turkey?
An apparatus has a remote control. Where must you place tags?
If apparatus has a remote control, where must you place tags? So imagine that we have an air condition here, and the air condition has a remote control. Okay, we should put a tag. Where should I put the tag? Where? On the floor, near the machine, only on the remote, at all control points, only on the main machine. What do you think? Okay. Okay. 100%. Okay. Who wants to read? Yalla Majid. Let's do that.
Where should tags be
Fitted.
to be
Effective. Okay. Where should tags be fitted to be effective? So, I mean, where should I put the tag to be 100%, to be seen by everyone, to be efficient? Where? In a visible place, or on a hidden cupboard, or on a hidden cupboard, or the same, under the machine. So,
Visible place.
so everybody say visible.
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 What is the opposite of visible? Invisible. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Who wants to read here? Yes.
main purpose of fire evacuation drill is to.
Let us discuss this.
Okay.
The main purpose of fire evacuation drill is to. Fire evacuation means to evacuate the people, to get them out of the place if any fire happens.
Yes.
Okay? So what is the main purpose? What do you think?
I think it's the train employees to a building in time.
Train employees to evacuate building in time, or test the fire alarm volume, or meet new co-workers, or clean the emergency exits. Good. That's right. Who would like to read here? No more?
The information coding tag provides instruction.
The information quotient tag provides instructions. So I mean that kind of tag, which talks about information quotient, provides instructions. Instructions about what? Everyone can use the machine?
No.
Or the machine is free of, for all to use? The machine is broken and for sale, only a few authorized personnel can operate. What do you think?
The machine is broken and 4%. Example.
This one?
Yes.
No.
Ah, do you think? Oh,
Only a few authorized personnel can break it.
do you think this?
Yes.
Okay. 100%. Okay, I want to look.
An electrician can ignore an information caution tag if they are busy.
What do you think? True or false?
False.
False. I would like to read again. Here. Okay. Yeah.
Only the person who fitted the tag or a person in charge can remove it.
True or false?
True.
What does this mean? It means that the person who can put or remove the tag should be an official one, an authorized one, the one who has the power, the one who has the authority to do so. So is it true or false?
True.
Okay. I would like to read, yeah.
Out of service means the machine is ready for normal use.
Do you think that out of service means the machine is ready for normal use?
False.
False.
Who said true? Okay. Who said okay?
False.
False? Correct. Who would like to read? Magic?
You don't need to inform
Anyone?
anyone after
You remove a tag. Do you think it's true or false?
False.
Let's see. Perfect. Okay. Yum.
Do not operate tag can be used while an electrician is working on the system.
So don't operate tag can be used while an electrician is working with the system. So don't